Hey guys, what is up? Fabio here. Hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to a new daily market outlook. So still quite sick, but regardless, very interesting market movements. So without further ado, let's dive in and see what the gold and the major dollar pairs have been doing. Okay guys, so first of all, of course, the dollar index, and I'm not going to lie, I did say that this was kind of the zone that we were looking for, and as we can see, we hit that zone to absolute perfection. Currently seeing some bullish reaction. However, we did take out the low. Not a massive fan of that, because yeah, essentially now demand has been taken out, right? So we could start pushing down lower as this area of demand has been taken out. But as long as we see these bullish candles, I will remain bullish until, let's say, this area of supply over here. Let's say we see more bearish momentum come in, then we're going to have to take into account that on the daily time frame we could potentially start moving in towards this area of daily demand at around 95.265. So yeah, that's the dollar index for you guys. Let's head over to our first pair, which is Aussie dollar. And guys, Aussie dollar, I am not gonna lie. Yeah, I did kind of say that we were going to be taking out this high, and as we can see, we did that to absolute perfection. Currently stalling inside of this area of supply, which I mentioned yesterday. We could see some more bearish momentum come in from here. We have some 4-hour demand located over here. So yeah, short-term move in towards the downside. And then let's see if we can start breaking that area of demand over there. Looking at it from structure-wise, we do have this very nice kind of ascending channel pattern with a beautiful 1, 2, 3. So let's see how this 4-hour candle closes. If we see a strong engulfing candle, then we could potentially see that move further down start occurring. Of course, we can start looking for those shorts over here. Let's say you see a 15-minute trend switch on the lower time frame, of course. Then you could look for those sell setups. However, the highest probability setup will always, of course, be from this highest area of supply. Just keep that in mind. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to Euro dollar. And Euro dollar, guys. So Euro dollar, this area of supply has now been taken out. And yeah, we're just seeing some choppy price action still. But very nice to see that the 4-hour has been moving bullish in line with the overall 4-hour swing structure. For now, I personally would still love to see Euro dollar push up higher in towards this area of supply over here before looking for potential shorts. That's just simply what I'm looking for on Euro dollar. Still very messy on the 4-hour, no trades for me personally. Looking at this overall structure, by the way, this is your swing low, this is your swing high. Once this swing high gets broken, we will then form a new swing low. But yeah, for now, we're still bullish on the 4-hour time frame swing structure. So let's see what happens and if we can break this high soon enough to push in towards that area of daily supply. So let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar, guys, and pound dollar played out to absolute perfection as well. As you guys know, what I mentioned yesterday was that I expected this high to get taken out and then a correction to occur once that high got taken out. But yeah, looking at current market structure, what are we seeing? We're still bullish. So I am kind of keeping my hands off this pair, mainly focusing on Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar for the moment, because we can just see that this pair is just keeping on chopping. So for now, what do we want to see? Well, if we look at the daily time frame, we want to see some slowdown inside this 4-hour area of supply. However, it is kind of likely that we're going to be hitting this area of daily and 4-hour supply very soon, which is also, of course, our area of weekly supply. Quickly looking at the 4-hour time frame, we don't really have any interesting areas of supply. However, I'm kind of focusing on this kind of top area of imbalance, potentially taking out these swing highs where liquidity lays above. I wouldn't be surprised if we start moving towards there. So yeah, that's pound dollar, guys. Not really interesting for any trades at the moment, in my opinion. So looking at Kiwi dollar next. And Kiwi dollar, guys. So Kiwi dollar is an absolute beauty. Essentially the exact same as Aussie dollar. I did mention yesterday as well, I was expecting this high to get run. As we can see, we ran the high, currently seeing some bearish reaction. Let's see how this 4-hour closes. We could start seeing some lower price levels as we are currently inside this 4-hour supply. Don't forget, this is of course the stronger 4-hour supply. However, we are already at very nice value, especially if we just quickly put in this premium versus discount tool. We can perfectly see that we came in towards the EQ and we are currently seeing some bearish reaction. Quickly looking at the normal fib, we just missed the 618. Not too stressed about it, because if we hit that 618, we'll essentially also close above this area of supply, which means I do kind of then see the likelihood of us pushing in towards this higher supply zone as the main reality. But yeah, for now, looking for lower time frame shorts. So yeah, that's Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to gold, our last pair. So yeah, gold, guys, and I'm not gonna lie, gold also playing out beautifully. As we can see, we saw a bearish reaction inside this supply zone, but as we know, this is the higher probability supply zone. So also expecting kind of a bigger reaction from this zone. I'm currently seeing some bearish momentum kick in. I would love to see some further downside, at least back down in towards, let's say, this area of kind of like, it's not real demand because it didn't really achieve anything, just a push up in towards supply. But I would still love kind of like a push in towards here, because then we can expect a reaction from here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for today. Expecting some more bearish downside on gold. So yeah, 4 hours bearish. So kind of logical. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Sorry for my voice, and I hope I'm going to be fully better tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a like and to join the free Discord server. Link is in the description down below. Thanks, guys.